it is important in the area of motivating yourself, it's important to know why you're doing it. Because that mind will say, why bother? Why go through all this? This is too hard. No, throw in the towel. It's not worth it. Has it ever said that to you before? Here's how you can handle that. Here's how you override that. Write down 5 reasons why you deserve it. Why do you deserve what you want? Why you? Why do you deserve it? What meaning and value will it bring to your life? What's so different about you that you deserve your goal or this goal? And when you write down those 5 reasons, when you have some down moments, and you're going to have them, when that conversation starts talking to you, and it's going to talk to you, what you will do is you can pull that out and read it, and it will build you up. It will be your rod and your staff to comfort you through some challenging moments, because you're going to have some. Life will knock you between the eyes. It will catch you on the blind side, come out of nowhere, stuff you can't anticipate. That will knock the wind out of you. You want to give up. That's why it's important for you to work on yourself, listening to tapes, building yourself up, talking to yourself with power, feeling, and conviction, building yourself up day in and day out, because it's coming. I guarantee you, life is just waiting. Oh, he's doing good now, huh? Very good. I remember I had an experience. I was pursuing my dream. And that's why you have to work on yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. And I was telling people, I had this big rally I had to do with 5,000 people there. And I said, you must work on yourself. If you want a larger vision, you've got to empower yourself continuously, because life will catch you on the blind side. And after I finished my speech, I got a rousing standing ovation. And I went and called the young lady that I was dating at the time. I said, hey, guess what? I said, they love me. I got a standing ovation. And they were chanting, we want the motivator. We want the motivator. I said, listen, we want the motivator. We want, do you hear? She said, yes. Les, I need to talk to you. I said, well, wait a minute. You're talking about tough. I was getting down. And I'll be home soon. Les, I heard a voice in the background. Hurry up and tell him. Who's that? Les, you've been gone a lot, and there's somebody else. What? And they came in. Les, come on, Mr. Motivator. They want you back out there. Wait a minute, hold a minute. What'd you say? I'm sorry, there's someone else. I heard his voice say, hang the phone up. Come on. I say, wait a minute. I say, hey, Motivator, come on. They want you. Can't you hear them cheer? I say, okay. I say, when you working on a larger vision, I say, you got to really work on yourself, because life will catch you on the blind side. I say, you better be ready. And you better make sure you want it, because it'll make you cry. And somebody said, the Spirit is on him. Thank you. I was talking till it started blinking the lights. They had to come pull me off, and I said, you got to have a larger vision. You make sure, wait a minute, you make sure you work on yourself. They said, come on, Mr. Brown, come on. Yeah. I went back to my hotel room, and loneliness and heartbreak was sitting on the bed and said, are you coming in now? Do you have your larger vision now? How's your positive attitude? Say, get on in here. Are you still breathing? Shut up. No, you want your gold? No, I don't want this gold now. Life will wear you out. You'll be saying, no, I can't, and no, I won't. You try to read it, can't see nothing through the tears. I went funneling through the drawers in this hotel trying to find a Gideon Bible, anything, you know. I said, somebody, anybody help me. Yahweh, Yahoo, anybody. So, boy, I tell you.